So Kobe Bryant cannot continue. But he's going to shoot the free throws. He could barely make it to the free throw line. And he is hurting. But the Lakers down by 2, and they want him and need him at the free throw line. Got it.
Now after this free throw, I'm going to be very curious to see how he responds, not backpedaling or whatever he has to do to get to the other end, if in fact he gets to the other end before a foul maybe.
Made him. Lakers might foul. They might foul to get him out of the game. That's
they have to.
Yeah. Kobe's coming out.
Yeah, that's the Achilles. I shouldn't say that. That's a foot injury.
Yeah.